is possible. Let the Fox 17 Smart Shopper do some of the heavy lifting. Watch Smart Shopper on Fox 17 News.
Have you or a loved one taken the blood thinner medication Xarelto? Xarelto has been linked to a dramatic increase in fatal side effects, internal bleeding, hemorrhaging, stroke, and death after taking the medication. Furthermore, physicians are unable to control or reverse internal bleeding side effects, making it far more dangerous than other blood thinner medications. In May 2014, the Institute for Safe Medication Practices revealed that physicians and patients were reporting life-threatening injuries.